This is an impressionistic painting I did in Procreate, and was walking around the city and I saw this image or these trees with the lightning that was coming from the back. So I first made a sketch on my iPhone in Procreate Pocket version 2. That Procreate file I exported to my iPad. And then in the studio I worked it out in colors, but the composition is important in this image because the trees are leaning over a little bit and the point of interest goes to the girl that is biking along. And you now see that on the right. It's still a little bit in sketch mode, but I also liked the part in front where the trees are backlit because the sun is coming from the left behind the building, and it's a very limited color scheme I'm using. So there is a light pink, some purple, and some green, and of course some light blues. And because the foreground is a lot darker, you create a lot more depth because the trees on the back, that's the park I always walk by, is a lot lighter because the sun is hitting these trees. And because the two trees on the foreground are backlit, they create a higher contrast. And you can play around with that because it wasn't exactly what I saw, so I changed the tilt of the right front tree a little bit. And you can also enhance your image if you want to point something to what's important in the image. With trees you can do that more easily because you can use the tree branches and the leaves to point toward something you want the viewer to watch. And I also enhance that by using very contrasting color for the girl, and that's red. You can also buy this poster on my Redbubble page, and I'll leave a link in the description box down below. You can buy it as a poster or on a lot of other cool products. So if you want to support me and this channel, go to my Redbubble page and see the kind of art that I'm selling on there. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!